Hello everyone, in today's video let us discuss the CBSE Term 1 paper of Artificial Intelligence code 417 and set number 4. Okay, so let's go through each and every question and answer. This is what I analyzed from handbook of CBSE and then I found the answers and then I'm going to tell you the answers for these questions. So first question is in section A, employability skills. So first question is that dash is the inner urge to do something, achieve goals without any external pressure, lure or award for appreciation. So the correct answer is self motivation. Next question. The next question, question number 2. Stress management is vital because it leads to following benefits. A. Improves the mood. B. Boosts the immune system. Promotes longevity. And then all of the above. So we know that this is correct. Option B is also correct. C is also correct. So option D, all of the above, is the correct answer. Now third question. Dash in communication implies stepping into shoes of others. So this is option A, consideration, as mentioned in the communication skills PDF by CBSE. Now the next question, fourth one. Dash communication takes place between two individuals and is thus a one-on-one conversation. It can be formal or informal. Okay, so this is option A, intrapersonal communication. Okay, now the next question, GUI stands for, and the answer for this question is graphical user interface. Graphical user interface, option B. Now the next question, one of the most easiest question. Okay, the shortcut used for copying is, the answer should be option A, control plus C. Okay, now the next question, section B, subject specific skills. Okay, like project cycle and introduction to artificial intelligence. So out of 20 question we need to attempt 15 out of that. Okay, now seventh question is Radha is good at singing since childhood. She understands keynotes and is composing a song for her college festival, but her father wants to focus on science exam. She possesses dash skill, but her father is not finding it lucrative. Okay, now the answer to this question should be option C, musical intelligence. Okay, spatial is not the answer and these intelligence are not mentioned in the book, the PDF of that. Now spatial visual intelligence is about like someone draws good because he is able to understand its own natural environment and can draw it or paint it. So that is spatial visual intelligence. Musical intelligence would be the correct answer. Now the eighth question, email filters is an application of. So email filters is an application of C, natural language processing. Okay, not computer vision, not data science, nor it is neural networks, it is natural language processing. Okay, it understands and classifies the email filters on the basis of natural language processing. Now the next question, computer vision acquires, screens, underscore, dash, identifies and extracts information. So after reading the PDF I found that it should be option B, analyzes. It's clearly mentioned in the PDF that answer should be option C, analyzes. So now the 10th question, dash involves collecting data from various authentic sources such as reliable websites, observations or surveys. Okay, what involves that? So the step which is there for acquisition of data or acquiring data or collecting data, this is option A, data acquisition. So it should be the correct answer. Next is assertion and reasoning question. Okay, so 11th question. Now the assertion is the training data should be authentic and relevant to the problem statement scoped. Okay, so is it true or false? It is true. Data should be relevant and authentic. Okay, now the next reason is it increases the AI project efficiency. So this is also true. Okay, this is also true and both are explanation of each other. Okay, I have already told you in the 100 project cycle MCQs video which I posted yesterday. So most of the question, almost more than 60% of the MCQs were on the basis of questions only, which I posted yesterday, the 100 MCQs video. So if you have prepared from that, then I am sure that you will get good marks. Now the next question, both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. So that is what we got to know, and option A should be the correct one. Now the next question, accuracy, recall, precision, F1 score are the parameters to calculate the efficiency under dash. Okay, so accuracy, recall, precision, F1 score are the parameters to calculate the efficiency under data evaluation. Okay, these comes under data evaluation. Now the next question, drawbacks of rule based approach is or are. Option A, learning is static. That is true, learning is static. Any changes made to the original data will not be considered. So what is original data? Okay, original data is the data which is before, like we divide data into training and testing in the ratio of like 70:30 or 80:20. So this is training and testing data. So before dividing into training testing data, we have the original data. So this is also true because changes made to original data won't be considered. And next is, once trained, the model cannot improvise on the basis of feedback. This is also true. Okay, this is also true. So all of the statements above are correct. Option A. Next question, in dash, design is adaptive to change in data. So in dash, design is adaptive to change in data, which results in dynamicity of a model. So that is option A, learning based approach. Okay, learning based approach. Now the next question, dash are modeled on human brain. We can get the answer from only this phrase, but let's see the whole question. It is essentially a machine learning algorithm used for solving problems when data set is large. So the answer should be neural networks. Now the next question, dash is not a learning based approach where AI models gets trained on the data fed to it and then is able to design a model which is adaptive to the change in data. So adaptive to the change in data and is not a learning based approach, not a learning based approach. So which of the following are not the learning based approaches? Option A is a learning based approach, unsupervised is also a learning based approach, and reinforcement. We have these three, no, supervised, unsupervised, and semi or reinforced learning. Enforced is not, enforcement learning is not there, so answer should be enforcement. Okay, next question, unsupervised learning is divided into following two categories. Okay, following two categories, identify the correct ones. So unsupervised learning is divided into clustering and dimensionality reduction. This is given in PDF. So this is correct. Option C should be the correct answer. Next, question number 18. 4Ws of problem canvas helps in identifying the key elements related to the problem. 4Ws problem canvas is a part of problem scoping. Okay, very simple question. Now the next question, question number 19. The dash block of 4Ws problem canvas helps in analyzing the people getting affected directly or indirectly due to it. Yesterday we discussed it clearly. So the correct answer is option A, who. Next is question number 20. During data acquisition, feeding previous data into machine is called A, training data, B, prediction data, C, testing data, and evaluating data. So the data which is fed into machine, the previous data means that, like in price comparison or in prediction, we give a data which is like, if we are giving 100 days weather, then it will predict another 1 day of weather. Okay, so like that, but the data, like it is for 10 to 20 years for weather prediction. So previous data means the data of 10 years which we have collected. So that is the previous data here, and this previous data is the training data only. Okay, for training. So the previous data means that training data. Okay, so this should be the correct answer. Also, if you don't know about previous data also, you can answer this, because yesterday we discussed that in data acquisition or all the stages of project cycle before modeling till evaluation, we use this training data only. In evaluation we use testing data. Okay, until that we use training data. Now the next question number 21. Dash is one of the types of supervised learning model where data is classified according to the labels and data need not to be continuous. So the answer is classification. Now the next question. Self-driving car is an example of option A data science, option B computer vision, option C NLP, and option D augmented reality. AR. So correct answer should be computer vision. The mostly used technology or the dominated technology for self-driving car is computer vision or CV. Next question. Evaluation is the process of understanding the reliability of any AI model based on outputs by feeding test dataset into the model and comparing with actual answer. Therefore it must be followed by, so evaluation is the fifth stage, so it is followed by, see here it is mentioned about AI model. It is the process of understanding the reliability of AI model, so it must be followed by a modeling only. Okay, the fourth stage, modeling, the fourth stage. Now the next question. Radha was searching for new shoes online. Now she is fed up with emails, pop-ups and advertisements related to the shoes on her social media accounts and email inbox and SMS on her phone. This is an issue related to, so it is given in the PDF and the answer is data privacy. It is clearly mentioned, that is data privacy. Now the next question number 25. Classification and regression are dash and approach followed is, it is not rule based, it is learning based approach. So these three can be answered. Now classification and regression are in supervised learning, so option A should be the correct answer. Now next question. Dash referred to the unsupervised learning algorithm which can cluster the unknown data according to the patterns or trends identified out of it. So these two we discussed in the previous question are supervised. Now only these two are remaining, and from that clustering is the correct answer. Now the section C, out of 7 questions we need to answer 5. 27th question. Choose the correct option describing the features of neural network. These are systems modeled on human brain and nervous system. So option 1 or option A, it is essentially a machine learning algorithm. Yes, it is true, it is a machine learning algorithm. Second, it is useful when solving problems for the data set is very large. That is also true. They are able to extract feature without input from a programmer. Okay, so option 3 is also correct. So all of the above statements are correct. Okay, all of the above statements are correct. Next question. Choose the correct method related to machine learning. Statement A, it is a subset of artificial intelligence which enables machines to improve at tasks with experience. Choose the correct statement related to machine learning. Okay, so it is a subset of artificial intelligence, that is true, which enables machines to improve at tasks with experience. Yes, it is true. It enables machines to learn by themselves using the provided data and make accurate predictions. That is also true. So both the statement 1 and 2 are correct. Now the 29th question. Vijendra has to maintain inventory on a daily basis. It usually takes 3 to 4 hours for a helper to take out raw material, which in turn delays the production cycle. Okay, production cycle means we can take it as project cycle, and also delays the updation of stock. His manager has identified the problem and looking for a possible solution, and this task is under, so identified a problem, identification of problem and looking for possible solution comes under problem scoping. So option A should be the correct answer. Now question number 30. Statement 1 is, this is also a statement based question. Statement 1 is, in deep learning the machine is trained with huge amount of data which helps in training itself around the data. That is true. Everything which is machine learning is also deep learning. That is false, because deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Okay, is a subset of machine learning. So everything which is in deep learning is in machine learning, but everything which is in machine learning is not in deep learning. Okay, only statement 1 is correct. This means that option B is the correct answer. 31st question. Janvi loves traveling and makes wonderful travel vlogs. She was planning to take this as a profession and wanted to buy a good camera with other accessories. for her vlogs. Her friend had suggested her to look for various options online, which is giving her comparison from various vendors. She was happy to purchase the camera at a best price. Which domain of AI is working behind that has helped her to take the decision on this? So the question ends here. And the domain of AI which helped her is, so basically this is about, she was happy to purchase the camera at the best price. She got the best price because it was a good price comparison. Okay, so basically it's asking about the domain used in price comparison, and that is data science, option B. Next question, 32. Ananya has recently bought a robot to do cleaning, including mopping. The robot senses the dirty floor, recalculates the average time taken to mop, senses the obstacle, and changes the direction. Also goes for auto charging. Her housemaid was feeling insecure as if she would not be required in the near future. This is a problem related to. So this is given in the PDF, and basically it is telling about job insecurity, okay, or unemployment. So AI creating unemployment is the correct answer. Many people might be thinking about AI ethics, but the most appropriate is option C, because it's directly mentioning that situation. It is directly mentioning that topic under which this comes. Okay, so AI creating unemployment is the correct answer. Now the 33rd or last question. The following are the key elements of dash. Okay, statement 1 is who are the stakeholders. Okay, who are the stakeholders? What is the problem? Where does the problem arise? Why do you believe that the problem is worth solving? So who, what, where, and why comes under 4 W's of problem canvas. So this was all about the question paper of CBSE Term 1 Set 4 Artificial Intelligence. Thank you for watching.